That moment when they said, "You can't do it. You don't belong here. Others are smarter, stronger, more deserving." And in that moment, you only have two options. You either believe them, or you go quiet and let your actions speak. The real response? It's not a long post. It's not a heated debate. Not even "I'll prove you wrong." The real response is to disappear and build a version of yourself they never even dreamed you could become. In her book Mindset, Carol Dweck explains, the difference between ordinary people and great ones isn't intelligence, isn't luck, it's mindset. The mindset that says, I didn't fail, I learned, I'm not late, I'm preparing for a different kind of comeback. Nelson Mandela spent 27 years behind bars. He could have come out angry. He could have sought revenge, but he chose one thing: to build an entire nation. His response, stronger than any speech or scream. His life became a story taught in every school in the world. Then there's Muhammad Ali. He said it clearly. I hated every minute of training, but I said, don't quit. Suffer now and live the rest of your life as a champion. That's not just motivational talk. Scientifically, your brain and body literally change under pressure. It's called neuroplasticity. Every time you fall, get frustrated, struggle, a neuron inside your brain rewires itself to make you stronger. Your response is literally being built inside you. Look at Elon Musk. They told him, electric cars? Dumb idea. Private rockets? Impossible. His response? No blog posts, no convincing. He just started. And now his companies are reshaping the future. And Steve Jobs, fired from his own company, came back years later and turned it into an empire. At Stanford, he said, you can't do great work unless you love what you do. Don't settle for less. The real response? It's when they see you years later, and you don't have to say a word. They'll know you were right, all along. Life doesn't wait for your explanations. It demands just one thing, that you begin. So don't justify. Don't explain. Don't beg to be understood. Building, be silent. Let success be the loudest thing in the room. And let it end like this. The real response is becoming their impossible dream.